friends, it's me Dhanashree again from Sri Science. Today, before starting our lesson, let's see an interesting fact about our brain. Our brain can't feel pain. It can only react for the pain that our body parts feel, but still, it can't feel pain. Today, we'll be learning about disaccharides and their classification. Disaccharides, what are these? Yeah, in the name itself you can find the answer. Because di means two, so disaccharides means two monosaccharides joining by a bond, releasing a water molecule. Yes, when two monosaccharides bond together, it just not only produce disaccharide but also release a water molecule. Now, if these disaccharides are made from monosaccharides, when breaking these disaccharides, monosaccharides should be the product, right? Yes, when breaking these disaccharides, the monosaccharides which made this disaccharide will be released. Moreover, as these disaccharides are made from monosaccharides, they have the same features as monosaccharides. They are sweet in taste, soluble in water, and crystal in shape. Here we'll be only talking about disaccharides made from hexose sugar. So as these disaccharides are made from hexose sugar, their common molecular formula is going to be C12H22O11. If you add the number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen in both sides, they will be equal in number. Our first example for this type of disaccharide is maltose. This maltose is formed by the bonding between two glucose molecules. So monosaccharide plus monosaccharide gives disaccharide plus water. In the same format, glucose plus glucose gives maltose plus water. Moreover, they are present in germinating seeds. We studied that when hydrolyzing starch, they give the end product glucose. When the starch is hydrolyzed, first they change into maltose, then only into glucose. And this maltose is a reducing sugar, as this can do reduction by gaining electrons. This is the structure of maltose. If you see here, there are 12 carbon, 22 hydrogen and 11 oxygen by the bonding between glucose and glucose molecule. Next, we are going to talk about sucrose. This is also a disaccharide formed by the bonding between two hexose sugars. They are glucose and fructose. Here also, the sucrose is formed, releasing a water molecule. Moreover, this sucrose is present in sugarcane, beet, brown and white sugar, and in fruits. This sucrose translocates the food produced by a plant in phloem. That means glucose is produced during photosynthesis, then converted into sucrose and stored as starch in plants. And this is a non-reducing sugar because it can't do reduction like other disaccharides. The only disaccharide which is a non-reducing sugar. And if you consider this structure, their structure when compared to maltose is different, but the number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is going to be the same. Now let's talk about lactose. This is also a disaccharide formed by bonding between two hexose sugars, and those sugars are glucose and galactose. Here also water molecule is released. Moreover, this is present in dairy products, and this is the only sugar that plant doesn't have. And not sweet as sucrose, but still have sweet taste. If we consider the percentages in cows and humans' milk, they are different. In cow, there is 4 to 6% of lactose, and in humans, 6 to 7% of lactose. Moreover, this is a reducing sugar. If we consider the structure of lactose, it is different from maltose and sucrose, but still have the same number of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen.
I hope you enjoyed this video. It's me, Tanashri, leaving from you till we meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye!